If you're looking to decide whether or not the Typhur Sync Air Fryer is for you, then this video is for you. I bought and tested out the Typhur Sync Air Fryer for about the past 30 days, and I'm going to be going over the pros and cons of it and what I like and what I don't like. Keep in mind that this video isn't sponsored by Typhur. I bought and tested out this air fryer myself just simply because I needed it. So let's go ahead and get started. So with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, the foods that I've made was basically reheating a bunch of foods. I've made chicken wings, chicken nuggets, fries, salmon, but unfortunately I wasn't able to fit a 12-inch pizza inside of the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Now, one of the standout features of the Typhur Sync Air Fryer is the included wireless thermometer. So this wireless thermometer, you can insert into different proteins and you can cook to the desired temperature. So I'll go over more on that shortly, but the first thing that I want to go over is the main features or physical features of it. With the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, you have about 13 inches wide and 14 inches height, okay? So this is a pretty bulky air fryer compared to my previous one, which was 8 by 8 by 8 inches. This one is pretty bulky, so do know that it is going to take some space on your countertop, obviously, but it might be more than you expected. Now, if you're like me, I'm not using the Typhur Sync Air Fryer every single day, so I do decide to go ahead and take this off my countertop and place it back on. So if you do plan on storing it away, let's say in your garage, in a cabinet, or in your pantry, do know that you're going to be carrying around 14 pounds. It is technically easy enough to move around compared to like the Typhur Dome 2 Air Fryer, which is around 20 pounds. But with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, it is able to go ahead. It is going to be weighing like 14 pounds if you do decide to lug it around. Now, if you go ahead and open up the Typhur Sync Air Fryer basket, this is what it looks like. You've got an 8-core capacity. So with this 8-core capacity, think about you're going to be able to basically make enough for families, okay? So you can definitely cook larger meals. Think around like a 6-pound whole chicken can definitely fit inside of here. This can fit a 9-inch pizza. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to fit my 12-inch pizza. And there's definitely plenty of room for like wings, nuggets, fries, and meal prep. Now, with my experience with cooking with this so far, I never really felt cramped or didn't have enough food inside of the air fryer. It definitely is a nice capacity as far as cooking for families goes. Now, with the basket, it is ceramic, non-stick, and toxic-free, so there are no harmful chemicals that are made with the basket. Now, let's go ahead and actually revert back over to the wireless thermometer because this is probably the main feature of this air fryer. So you can see that there's a different mode that starts to turn on as you're using this air fryer. So we have different doneness levels such as medium, well done. You have different presets for different proteins such as beef, chicken, pork, fish. All you got to do is click the preset button and it's going to change to the type of meat. And then if you click doneness, it's going to change the doneness in what temperature target do you want your protein cooked to. So with this thermometer, the thermometer itself is also dishwasher safe, which also includes the basket and the grill plate, which again is also dishwasher safe. But just make sure that you don't throw the housing kit inside of the dishwasher kit. Only the thermometer itself is actually dishwasher safe. So with the wireless thermometer, you can see the temperature obviously on the touchscreen display. It also is displayed on your Typhur app. And what I like about it is that there's no guesswork when it comes to guessing if your meat is cooked. There's no guessing if your fish is cooked. You don't have to cut open your meat anymore and check if it's cooked. You can easily see the target temperature inside of your protein, and then that's going to determine whether or not it's actually cooked. It also prevents overcooking as well. So if you like cooking your protein to a specific temperature, you can change your target temperature. Let's say you want your pork cooked to 150 degrees. Maybe you want it cooked to 156 degrees. All of that is customizable and changeable. So you can see the target temperature cook and you can see the current temperature cook. Now, based on what I've cooked so far with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, which is chicken wings, chicken nuggets, fries, salmon, all of it turned out really well. Although just know that if you are putting a lot of food inside of here, you might need to go ahead and shake it around in order to get that even cooking. Unlike other air fryers, the Typhur Sync Air Fryer relies solely on the upper heating ring that you see right over there. So you are going to have to shake your food in order to get a much more even cooking, especially if you're stacking foods like French fries or chicken nuggets. Now, my favorite thing that I've cooked so far in the Typhur Sync Air Fryer has definitely been salmon. And for that, I did not need to flip it around. It was an easy air fry bake of around 15 minutes and it turned out really, really good. With the chicken wings that came out of here, I was able to cook flat wings, I was able to cook drumsticks, I was able to cook chicken thighs, all without having to flip it over, which was nice. With again, foods that tend to stack up, such as fries or nuggets, you may need to shake the air fryer or mix the food around in order to achieve a more even cook. Now, the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer, it does emit some sort of sound. So I'd say it's not an annoying sound or it's not loud enough to disturb conversations. Or let's say that you're watching a TV show or a movie, it is going to be pretty, you're definitely going to be able to hear it, okay? Now, with a ceramic basket, this is dishwasher safe. So you can throw this straight into the dishwasher in addition to the actual grill plate, which can also be thrown into the dishwasher. So the three components, essentially how to clean the air fryer, is the basket, the grill, and then the wireless thermometer, which is right over here. And again, do not include the casing of the wireless thermometer. In order to clean the outside, you would just wipe the outside of the air fryer, wipe the inside of the air fryer, and it's a very simple, easy cleanup. Now with the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer, you have the air fry mode, you have the roast mode, you have the bake mode, dehydrate, reheat, and preheat. This is how you adjust the temperature. And this is how you adjust the time. And then you have the pause and play button. So it's all done through a touch screen panel on top of the air fryer. Now, really quickly, I do want to show you the integrated app that's included with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Now, the app integration does include or does connect with all Typhur products. So if you click into our Typhur Sync Air Fryer here, you can see that there are different air fryer modes. So there's 9 total displayed on the app, such as air fryer, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, preheat, fries, bacon, and wings. So let's say that we want to go ahead and cook fries. We can click fries, click on set, and then click on start. Now, what I've noticed with the Typhur products is that even though it connects to your mobile device, you still have to manually go ahead and press the start button on your air fryer. So having to press the start button, you can see there it's at 18 minutes, and you can see the time remaining on my phone. But from my phone, I can pause it, I can continue it. But with continuing it, you need to go back to the air fryer and press the button again. But you can stop it from your phone. I guess that's some sort of safety feature as far as why you're not able to start your air fryer directly from your phone, even though it's connected to your phone. But there's just something to point out as far as it's kind of a con for me compared to all the pros that have happened. Within the Typhur Air Fryer app, if you need ideas as well, so let's go ahead and stop this. There is a Explore app which shows you different recipes. So this is pretty neat. As you can see, it's organized by what Typhur product you have. So because we have a Typhur Sync Air Fryer, there are Typhur Sync recipes. If you need ideas, as you can see here, so you can click into it, get ideas of what you want for dinner. So overall, I'd say that this is really great if you plan to use the wireless thermometer. So in my case, because I don't plan on using the wireless thermometer every single time I use it, I'll mainly use it, let's say, for holiday parties or parties in which I plan on cooking like a really big protein, such as a whole chicken. This is where it really shines. It's got the included wireless thermometer, so you can cook your protein to your desired temperature. In addition to that, it's got a large 8-quart capacity, so compared to my old Philips air fryer, this is much larger, which I appreciate. You can integrate it with your phone as far as the app goes, but just know that you're not able to start the air fryer from your app. You always do have to manually come up and press the start button in order to start the air fryer. With the app, you do get some pretty neat recipe recommendations in case you need an idea of what to make for dinner or what to make for lunch. I do love how it's very easy to clean. So I always appreciate an air fryer basket, which I can easily throw into the dishwasher. It is made of ceramic, it's made of toxic-free chemicals, and you've also got the non-stick coating, which was made to basically withstand very high temperatures. Now, the cons of the air fryer basket, what I've come to notice is you are still going to have to occasionally shake or flip some foods if they're stacked up on each other. So I've had to do that with my fries and chicken nuggets, which is, it's not the most convenient thing to do. Other things to note is that if you don't have much countertop space, it is going to take up a large footprint, okay? As you can see how much it practically already takes up this entire section of my countertop within my kitchen. So I'd say that if you're someone who really does plan on using the wireless thermometer, the Typhur Sync Air Fryer is going to be a great option. You can actively monitor the internal temperatures of the protein just using this one right here, where normally this is actually included separately with other air fryers. And in addition to that, you get a really large quart capacity, for how much food you could actually cook with inside the air fryer. But yeah, that's my overall overview with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below.